Hello everyone, welcome to Nitty Cat Studio. I'm Cheryl. Today we're going to take a look at my 1940 Featherweight. And yeah, this is a voiceover. I'm sorry for that, but there was a lot of noise going on at the time. I just decided to grab my camera and just kind of hook it up there and take you along with me. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the surface. And I don't know what those spots are, so I thought at the time maybe I can get those off. And if nothing else, it just needed a little bit of shining. Make it pretty. So yeah, so I'm going to use sewing machine oil on this, and I don't want to use anything that's going to hurt the clear coat and those spots there. That all could be a little bit of damage to the clear coat. I don't know. At the time, I didn't know whether it was going to come off or not. So, and the machine, like I said, it needed a little shine. So, and I apologize if it jiggles a little bit. I just took my little portable cell phone holder and took it over there to video. So, it might jiggle a little bit, but so yeah, but other than that, the top of the machine is in good shape. Those decals look great. And so I'm just going to go ahead and take a cotton ball, put a little bit of oil on it, and just rub a little bit on the surface. And it's really not dirty. I mean, the cotton pad didn't have a lot of dirt or anything on it right there. So, but as you can see, it's not coming up either. So I do think that that is going to definitely be some damage to the clear coat. But that's okay. It's shining up nice. So overall, I think this machine is just the perfect little machine for me to just maybe piece some of my quilts on. Yeah, you can see that that spot's not going anywhere. I really thought, yeah, I really thought that it was just something stuck on there. Like, I don't know what, food? I don't know. But it wasn't. And so I'm just going to not really push it. Not going to really push it with that. But, so yeah, so this little machine is really lightweight. I think it's going to be great for just piecing together some quilts, just some light sewing. Although they say it can be pretty tough with some. I mean, I don't think the thing's going to sew leather, but I think if you had a lightweight jean material or something like that and used the right size needle, it would probably do fine. I think it just depends on the size needle that you're going to use for the fabric that you're going to use. So, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly rub it. So, yeah, this machine was used for sure. I'm curious. I'm always curious to wonder who had this before, originally had this machine. What was the circumstance? Maybe it was somebody's birthday gift. I don't know. Just kind of neat. Neat to have a little bit of history. And now I'm going to just go ahead and take a Q-tip and get some of those areas that are a little bit hard to reach. So the marks did not come off, but that's okay. I just wanted to make sure that the surface was nice and clean, and yeah, I tried to rub them just a little bit to see if any of it would come off. And I even tried putting just a little bit more oil on it, but nope, wasn't going to come off. I noticed the belt is sort of got a little curve in it. And I'm going to go ahead and order a new belt anyway from the Featherweight shop. There's I think it's called the Super V belt, something like that. Anyway, it's supposed to be easier on the motor. It's got like a really good grip around the wheel. So I think I'm going to go ahead and order that anyway. So now I'm going to go just wipe around the bobbin area and just make sure that I get all the dust out. I notice on the front of the scroll face right there, the faceplate, that there is a little bit of discoloring right around where the screw goes in. Not sure how to get that out. I'm just kind of rubbing it with a little bit of oil, but if anyone has any suggestions, I might have to research it a little bit more. I'm just concerned I don't want to put anything too abrasive on there. So yeah, if you have a comment, you know how to clean that, or maybe it won't come off, I don't know. But either way, I mean, I'm still happy with it. But so just kind of lightly trying to rub that down. So I've decided I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. That's a metal plate. And then I've decided to take a look inside and see, check the gears out. So this plate just comes off and it's lined with a sort of a felt type. I don't know if it's a papery felt, something like that. Anyway, it kind of smells. So I've seen where people can go in and replace that. So I think I'm going to do that. And the gears look really good. You can tell that they were greased recently. Okay, that's it. I think she looks good, nice and shiny, and I'm going to order a couple parts, and then I will get sewing. So, do you have a featherweight? Have you named your featherweight? I think I'm going to name this one for sure. Haven't thought of a name yet, but I'll get one. So, thank you all for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. And so, yeah, take care. Bye-bye.